Hello everyone, myself Arman Ahmed Miraj. I am from Shirazganj. I am 21 years old. By religion I am Muslim and by nationality I am Bangladeshi. Currently I am studying in Computer Science and Engineering in 4th semester at Dafodi International University. If I briefly talk about my academic background, I have passed both my SSC and HSC exam from Dhaka Board, respectively from Ideal School and College and Notre Dame College. I have passed all my exam with securing A+ in all subjects and awarded as a National Merit Scholarship from Dhaka Board in 2019 and 2021. If I talk about my interest, I really love to read books, I love to coding, I am skillful in C and C++, and I really love to watch anime and web series. Whenever I find my leisure time, either I read a book or watch anime or web series. Sometimes you can see me while coding. If I talk about my skill, I have a skill of video editing using Canva, Filmora and Movavi video editor. Currently now I am serving as a video editor in a club of our international university named Cybersecurity Club. I have also expertise in Microsoft Office tool, which now I am using in Career Development Center where I am serving as a career ambassador. And if I talk about my soft skill, I am very much enthusiastic about learning. I am a very creative person. Whenever I am facing any kind of problem, I really love to solve that, thinking outside of the box. I'm a very organized person, and about my characteristic I don't like, which is I'm a perfectionist. Whenever I'm doing any kind of task or work, I try to do that in a perfect way, which gives me sometimes very much hard time. If I talk about my personality, from my personality test I got ENTP, which is extroverted, initiative and perceiving person. I am open to learn and very collaborative person. I also have experience of event management. In my school life and college life, I have handled several events, and also in my university life, I have handled a couple of events like job, not the job workshop, but the placement celebration day and the recently happened National HR Summit.